Welcome to the Introduction to Agile. In this module, you will discover the history, the core values, and the guiding principles that underpin the Agile methodology. Let's get started. Let's explore the history of Agile. In the 1990s, lightweight software development methods emerged as a response to more heavyweight and rigid methods. Then, in 2001, the Agile Manifesto was created by 17 software developers at Snowbird, Utah. From 2001 to 2005, Scrum, extreme programming, and other Agile frameworks gained popularity in software development. From 2005 to the present day, Agile principles have expanded beyond software development to various industries and business functions. The Agile Manifesto consists of 4 core values that were established in 2001. The first value is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. The second value is working software over comprehensive documentation. The third value is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. And the fourth value is responding to change over following a plan. While there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. Let's dive into the 12 principles behind the Agile Manifesto. First principle. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Second principle. Welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. Third principle. Deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter timescale. Fourth principle. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Fifth principle. Build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. Sixth principle. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. These principles guide teams in implementing Agile practices effectively. Let's continue with the Agile principles. Seventh principle. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Eighth principle. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Ninth principle. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. 10th principle. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. 11th principle. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. 12th principle. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. These principles form the foundation for all Agile frameworks and methodologies. Here are some of the most popular Agile frameworks, which are different implementations of Agile principles. First, there's Scrum, which is an iterative framework with defined roles and ceremonies. Key points include sprints of 1 to 4 weeks, daily stand-ups, the presence of a product owner, a Scrum Master, a team, and sprint planning and review. Second, there's Kanban, a visual workflow management system. Key points include visualizing workflow, limiting work in progress, continuous flow, and continuous improvement. Third, there's extreme programming, also known as XP, which focuses on technical practices. Key points include pair programming, test-driven development, continuous integration, and small releases. Finally, there is Lean, which focuses on eliminating waste and optimizing flow. Key points include eliminating waste, amplifying learning, deciding as late as possible, and delivering as fast as possible. Let's explore the benefits of Agile and why organizations adopt Agile methodologies. First, there is faster time to market. Iterative delivery allows for quicker release of usable products and features, reducing time to market and enabling faster return on investment. Second, there is enhanced collaboration. Cross-functional teams work closely together, breaking down silos and improving communication between business and technical teams. Third, there is higher quality. Regular testing and continuous integration lead to early defect detection and resolution, resulting in higher quality deliverables. Fourth, there is risk reduction. Early and frequent delivery of working software reduces project risk by providing visibility and allowing for course correction. Organizations that adopt Agile methodologies report up to 30% higher success rates in their projects compared to traditional approaches. Let's consider the common challenges of Agile. First, there is organizational resistance to change and cultural barriers. Second, there is misunderstanding Agile as a methodology rather than a mindset. Third, there is scaling Agile practices across large organizations. Finally, there is balancing documentation needs with Agile's preference for working software. In conclusion, Agile is a mindset and approach to delivering value that emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and customer centricity. Its principles and values have transformed how teams work across industries, enabling faster delivery of high-quality products that better meet customer needs. For the next steps, explore specific Agile frameworks in depth, learn about Agile roles and responsibilities, and understand Agile ceremonies and artifacts. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.